Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool anime background track for your animes and um, visual novels. And I'm trying to do a very distinct style today. I'm using Fruity Loop Studio 20, also known as FL Studio. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite music programs. Excuse me, I bumped the mic. It's quickly becoming, jeez, it's quickly becoming one of my favorite music programs after Audacity. It's how you say it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do it. I've been using it a few days, and I kind of want to show you how to make a song. Here we go. So the first part of a song is you want to make a cool. You want to have some percussion. It gives a structure to the song, and it gives a beat that people can talk about. So there we go, and we'll give it a little test here. There's the play. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay, so once we got that, we can start adding in a little piano riff. So I'm gonna open this up. You right click, or you can press Control F2, and you could click piano roll, and this is where we're gonna do some little ooh some little riffs like that, just a little riffing. We'll do a little riffing and have some fun and just have fun with it. What we're going to do though is we want to record from the keyboard, so we can just do a riffing and we'll write it down, so we don't got to do each one on its own like that. I'm going to click the red dot, and we're going to click notes. Okay, and now we're good to go. So I'm just going to do a little riff here. Here we go. Okay, so see how that turned out, and we'll do what we can. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good start. One thing you notice in a lot of animes is that the anime song is kind of the anime song's kind of a little disjointed. It's a little it's kind of space and sparsely placed parsley, and it's so you kind of gotta have a little background. That's the thing to jig there. So one other thing I want to add, if it's just like a little sample of a song, I want to add some cool bass lines. We're gonna do the same thing, and the bass is like that. Okay, so we're gonna hit record again, and we're gonna do a little riff. Oh, I want to do notes, and then we're gonna hit play. Okay, that was pretty good. Yeah, I think that sounds pretty cool if I do say so myself. So then, to make it sound really cool, what you want to do is you want to go into the sounds, and we're gonna add a effect. We're gonna add an effect. What I like to use to make this sound better is you do Sound Gooderizer. It makes everything sound really good. You want to turn it all the way up. I just like to add a few of those. It kind of makes it have like a homely feel, and it makes it just everything sound nice. So then we're gonna try that, and we'll just see how that sounds. So let's do it. Yeah, I think that was pretty good, and so yeah, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my song here overlaid on a scene from one of my favorite animes, and I hope you agree that I think it matches pretty good. That's the end for the tutorial segment, and I'll see you guys next later with episode 2. Bye. See ya.
だって